Hey everybody, I'm Jordy Klein, and this is my 1975 B-58 Baron. I'm a cinematographer and a pilot, and for years I've been dreaming about updating my avionics in this plane. This plane still has the original 1975 King Silver Crown avionics package in it. So I recently gave Macy Dan here a call. She's the East Coast rep for Avidyne Avionics. And what did you talk me into, Macy?
All right, so though the Silver Crown package was cool back then, I wasn't alive yet, and Jordy ended up going with the full Avidyne package with an IFD 540, IFD 440, AXP 340, that's the panel mount transponder, and our Skytrax 100B for our ADS-B in. So now he can see traffic, put in his flight plan.
This is what we took out of the plane. Macy, how much does everything that I installed in the plane weigh?
Everything Jordy installed is 20.7 pounds.
Right.
This does not look.
Well, let's see how much it weighs. We happen to have a handy dandy scale right here. Let's see how much it weighs.
All right, check this out.
Holy cow, 80.5 pounds. That's what the King Silver Crown package weighs. The new package, the Avidyne package, weighs just barely 20 pounds. And it does 10 times more what this package did. Pretty incredible. Here's what the panel looked like before. And let's go check out what it looks like now. All right, so here it is. The old Baron with the new avionics. What exactly is this again?
All right, so the 540 and the IFD 440, and this is our AXP 340. So that's the panel mount out transponder.
Oh, okay. And the thing I liked about this is it had a big color radar here that was never worked because the magnetron or whatever they call it is always blowing up, and it was just nothing but a money suck for trying to keep it going. So I have, because this has weather on it, I could get rid of that whole color radar, and now I have this whole empty space right here that if I want to put maybe some sort of a sound system, integrated sound system or whatever into this plane, I have all this room plus the weight that was there.
Yeah.
Another thing I liked is that even though this is an older shade and fuel computer, it was still able to talk to the new Avidyne avionics, which is cool because now I can use this to get my endurance on the Avidyne.
Yeah, and so the cool thing about it is we actually have a fuel ring. So once this is connected to the Avidyne, you'll actually have your fuel ring to where you'll be able to see.
Oh wow!
Exactly.
So I can, like, in any direction, I can see how far I can go.
Correct. You can see what are your closest alternate airports.
Nice.
So that's what I really like about it.
So another thing that I liked about this is that the Avidyne slaves to an annunciator, a voice audio annunciator that tells you when you have good GPS, when you're reaching the various outer markers, and if there's any warning messages, it talks to you right here. And again, hopefully we're going to end up with a Aspen system here, but the Avidyne will also talk to the Aspen, right?
Oh yeah, we're big. IFDs are big buddies with the Aspen.
Yep, that's what I like to hear.
Mm-hmm.
Another thing is you guys make a audio panel as well, right?
Yeah, so our AMX 240 is the slide-in audio panel.
So I know you pitched that to me, but at the time I was a little bit low on funds. So I had to keep my KMA 20 for now. But I do like that I can still use the KMA 20 and it will interface with the Avidyne system.
Yeah, whenever you're ready to upgrade. Well, work with the old and with the new.
Yep.
And so just some cool things on here that I think you're going to really enjoy is these are actually cross-synced. So whenever I put in my flight plan, I usually do it on the big screen, or I do it via iPad, or even the Bluetooth keyboard that you're
nice.
Gonna have. So
I've got two of those.
Exactly, and so you can Velcro it straight to your yoke and be able to just do your flight plan from there. And so, right here we have just going to direct to KOCF, and when you're putting in an approach, you can just easily tap, you know, I want to do the ILS 3.6. We're going to go vectors, make it easy. And all we're going to have to do is activate the flight plan.
Wow.
So once this is in there, you have your map, and then you can actually see the flight plan below on your 440. So that's why it's great to have two for both repetition and being able to see your flight plan be carried out via the chart as well as the map.
Wow, that's awesome. And you could probably flip-flop these if you really wanted to, right?
Yeah. So sometimes if I'm making edits to this, I'll have it on the large screen. So I'll go up here and make edits via the big screen. And then I can also go here so I can actually see, you know, what are
Right. And I love that
some
it's
features.
pinch screen.
Yeah,
it's
pinch
just like
screen.
an iPhone.
Just like an iPhone. And then you also have the buttons and knobs. So when you're in the soup,
Yep.
you're not
like
you're not trying to
Yeah.
with the touch screen. So
Yep. Well, cool. Well, thanks for running me through all this, and thanks for the advice and telling me what to buy for my plane. So I'm going to be giving you a call real soon for some more other stuff.
yeah, we have some new goodies on the way, so it'll be
Really?
exciting.
But you can't say.
Nope.
You can't say what they are.
No
Oh, well.
announcements.
All right. Well, just make sure that I'm the first to know.
Will do.
All right.